Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video and any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video though before you do that. For those of you guys who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi guys, it's been a while. Been quite busy. It's been really busy, but I have been able to get some crafting done, and I'd like to show you some makes that I've been working on and some things that I've had that you have not seen yet. So today I'm entitling the topic Embracing Lace. All right. So making lace can sometimes be really challenging because the designs can be very intricate, but you can also have some very simple lace that is elegant also. And you can have fun lace as well. Take, for instance, my scarf. My scarf is a very easy lace and it's made up of a stitch called the ladder stitch. This one I made using a twinkle yarn that's from Big Twist, and it's in the colorway Slate. And I basically just used the ladder stitch for the majority of the scarf and then just added a very nice edging on the ends of it. All right. So I hope you guys like it. It's very easy to make and very quick to make. So yeah, lace doesn't have to be difficult or challenging, and you can use any size yarn. All right, so I'm going to show you some very fine lace projects also. So here's a very small design, and it's in a heart shape, and it is supposed to be a coaster. However, when I made it up, even though I followed the directions, it turns out that it's very small. And with it being so delicate, I didn't think that I wanted to put a cup on top of it. So I still haven't figured out what I want to do with this. I may have to add more to it, and maybe just turn it into a miniature doily or something. But this is the final, the pattern as written, and it just turned out to be very small. So we'll see what I end up doing with this one. All right, so this one right here is a mini doily, and this pattern here is a red heart design on their website. It's a free pattern, and I made it in multiple colors. I really do like it. It's very easy to make and it's quick also. Doesn't use up much crochet thread at all. These are made with size 10 crochet cotton. Of course, you could do the exact same pattern using maybe a size 3, or maybe a size 5 or a size 3 crochet cotton. And of course, the size will be larger as a result, and you will increase the size of the hook that you would use as well. Okay, but very quick projects, very nice and dainty, and will brighten up any little table or desktop, where you put it. All right, this is an angel. All right. And this angel, I didn't put the stiffener in it, but the way it's supposed to be is you take it and you put it around maybe a cone shape and you put the stiffener on it. And then it could be on a tabletop, and you can stuff the head of it perhaps with a little bit of cotton. And then it could be a very nice table topper, but also a form of lace because you have the open work and it's used with the fine kind of thread. All right, how about earrings, right? So this is a form of lace, and these are snowflakes. All right, so these are snowflake earrings. I did not get the earring findings to put on them yet, but really cute design. Very lightweight because I used the fine crochet cotton. Very lightweight and really pretty, but really nice design. All right, now these are also snowflake earrings, but a different form of lace. So these are tatted snowflake earrings. All right. And I did put beads on them. Now, one of the differences between the tatting and the crocheted snowflake earrings are that the tatting uses a series of knots to make either rings or chains. And so you get a more dense um, um, fabric where you have done your tatting, but you still have open work because of the series of rings and chains. Okay, so these are tatted earrings, whereas the other ones were crocheted. All right, so back to the doilies, guys. So, in hopes that spring will come soon, I thought I'd make a really cute little mini springtime coaster. So, this is a peachy coaster, and if you look closely, those are peaches that are in the design. Isn't that cool? All right. And this particular coaster came from a pattern that I found, and it's called Springtime Coasters. All right. So there are several um, coasters here that they give. So there's a peach, there's a lemon, a lime, and there are berries. So really nice, quick to make, and they're made with size 10 crochet cotton. All right. Now, how about brooches or pins? You can actually use lace making techniques to either embellish a brooch or a pin, or you can turn it into one. And this is a piece of tatted lace that I did and just used a pearl in the middle of it with a series of anchor styled rings. So anchoring is a way to join your rings together in tatting. And I decided to just put this pearl in the middle of it and just turn it into a really nice, nice brooch. Okay. Well, so we've done earrings and we've done brooches. What about bracelets? Okay. So, yes, you can make crocheted bracelets and make them lacy. You can even use them for maybe for people who can't tolerate using metal on their skin because maybe they have a sensitivity. You could make something lacy for them instead, and they will be able to tolerate that, either with the closure being maybe a piece of ribbon or just make it into the lace itself. All right, so I'm sure you guys have seen this in a previous video, but this is my ring and bead tatted bracelet that I think came out really, really well. I am working on a tutorial for this, and so hopefully I'll be able to get that uploaded soon. It's been a challenge to get it done, but hopefully you guys will be able to check it out and see if you can make this for yourself. All right, so now this is an edging in tatting. It's a basic edging that many of us probably have seen in the past, and it was turned into a bracelet. Okay, so this one was done with both of these. This one was done with a shuttle, and this one was done with a needle. And there are two ways to do tatting, and I'll explain that when I do the video. But yeah, two ways to do tatting, and two different techniques were used for that one. All right, so this is also a beautiful tatted bracelet. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I'm going to ask you guys, there is someone who designed this bracelet here on YouTube that you guys know really well. And I am going to give a gift to the first three people that can tell me whose design this is. All right, I'm not going to tell you. You're going to have to figure it out for yourself. But you do know this person, and they are very, very good and experienced at tatting. And I followed their design and made this beautiful, beautiful bracelet. All right. So, first three people that can tell me who designed this is going to get a gift from me. All right. So, now another way that you can dress things up is just by making little knickknacks or what we call doodles. And this is an example of a doodle. So I have taken a button and I've done some tatting and I made this for my scissors to help me keep up with my scissors. These scissors are so small and I lose them all the time. But now I can keep up with them a little bit better because I have attached this onto my scissors. Okay, how about that? Isn't that cool? As I was playing around with it, I've done it in different colors as well. So more recently, I played around with this button and with this pretty pink yarn to see if I could come up with a different design. And I do like the way they've all come out. All right. So last but not least for today, I'm going to show you one more item that I think also qualifies as lace. Tell me what you see. So this piece here, I saw online and I just thought I would take a chance and see if I could figure out how to make it. All right, can you see the photo? Yeah, I really enjoyed making this particular piece. I think it's a form of lace making called filet crochet. And filet crochet is a technique where you use a series of open and closed blocks of crocheted stitches to give a picture type of design. And you can make all kinds of different designs by doing open blocks and closed blocks. It does require paying attention to the rows, and it does require some counting and things like that, but it's really not hard at all. And working with the size 10 crochet cotton is actually not that bad. So you really do have to focus when you're working on this. But if you choose a project like this one, then to me, it was kind of therapeutic as I was working on it because I knew what the outcome of the piece was going to be. And it really, really helped me as I was working on it. So I hope that you guys like that project and the other projects that I have shown you today. I do have some more lace type things that I would like to show you perhaps in another video, but I didn't want to show too many things in the video today. So hopefully the ones that I have shown you have piqued your interest and had you question yourself, when's the last time you embraced lace? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section. I really do enjoy hearing from you guys and conversing back and forth. It's a lot of fun, and I really do appreciate the inspiration that you guys give to me about different topics, um, and hope that I inspire you as well. So I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Please take care of yourselves, stay mindful, and stay healthy. Bye bye now.